Hey, what's up, Cardano Reality Holders? Guys, this is the warning video for all of you, and be alert, be safe from those guys. Guys, before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more updates and news videos about the cryptocurrencies market. Let's start the video and let's go ahead, guys. So guys, at this time, if you talk about the price of the Cardano Reality, let me show you on the brush. For better understanding, guys, you can see here the current price is very badly falls down. You know what, guys, I'm also expect Cardano $3. I believe that at the last of August price will be $3, but unfortunately, guys, you can see here that the price becomes reversed again, guys. The price becomes reverse. So now 2.54 USD dollar, 254 cent is the right now price of the Cardano in the market. And guys, you know what, now the price decrease. I also told you, I think in my previous videos, the reason behind the falls, why the Cardano the price falls down. I also told you about this. So guys, in this video I'm just to warn you that please be alert, be safe. Now it's time. I know it's time. It is a pay time for all of you, especially for Cardano holders. They believe that now that is really a big loss. How can we act like that? A lot of people are worrying about it, but no, don't worry about it, guys. That's not a worrying talk, guys. Just I didn't understand. You know what? In the cryptocurrencies market, people want fast profit, quick profit. One day they profit in one day, they want profit in 2 weeks, they want profit in 1 month. So no, guys, cryptocurrency is a long-term project, guys. If you want to profit in the cryptocurrencies market, so I believe that you should have to invest for a long time, for 1 year, for 2 years. After that, after the result of 1 year, I hope, guys, you will be a millionaire, guys. Yes, it depends on your investment. If you buy a lot of coins, so you absolutely they will make you a millionaire. Anyways, guys, so warning is that please, guys, be alert in the market, and if you decide to sell, so I think possibilities that you lose your money and invest. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like. Subscribe now channel for more updates videos.